Hello students, today we are going to learn about class 8 chapter number 7, a visit to Cambridge, multiple choice questions. These questions are very important as per the exam point of view. So after completing the chapter number 7, understanding fully, you can go through these MCQs to test yourself. Let us begin them. First question, what was common between the writer and the visitee? Their nature, intelligence, disability, or the way of thinking. So we know in this a visit to a Cambridge, there are two important personalities. One is Ferradas Kanga and other one is Stephen Hawking. So we are going to talk about these two persons. What was common between both of them, Ferradas Kanga and Stephen Hawking? Their nature, intelligence, disability, or the way of thinking. So the main point which is common between both of them is disability. Both were disabled people. Then also they were great personalities. Fine. Next one, Ferradas Kanga was disabled because of dash problem. Ferradas Kanga जो disabled थी उनको main problem क्या थी? ब्रिटल बोन्स. ठीक है, उनकी जो बोन थी वो काफ़ी कमज़ोर थी, तो वो तुरंत मतलब टूट जाया करती थी, ब्रिटल बोन्स थी. ओके. Next one, Cambridge was my metaphor for England. Here, metaphor is A/N dash for England. Allegory, appreciation, favorite visiting destination, or honor. So here the answer will be allegory. Next one, Stephen Hawking succeeded dash holding the chair at the Cambridge University. Albert Einstein, Isaac Newton, Ernest Rutherford, or Louis Pasteur. So your answer will be Isaac Newton. Okay, Stephen Hawking ने Isaac Newton को succeed करा था. Next one, Stephen Hawking was A/N dash. Stephen Hawking क्या थे? Physician थे, then astronomist, astrophysicist, or astrologer. So your right answer will be astrophysicist. Okay, Stephen Hawking was an astrophysicist. Next one, if one is disabled, people often ask him A. to consult a good doctor, B. to develop positive attitude, C. to become brave, D. to get used to suffering. Generally, people क्या करते हैं? बोलते हैं to become brave. Okay, generally what people do, if the person is disabled, the people will say them to become brave. Next one, Stephen Hawking talked A. in computer voice, in broken sentences, in a mild tone, in a harsh voice. The answer will be option number A. स्टीफन हॉकिंग के पास पूरी जो उनकी चेयर थी वो पूरी कंप्यूटराइज थी एंड उसमें एक स्क्रीन थी, एक नोटपैड जैसा था, और वो उनको जो भी कहना होता था किसी को भी तो वो अपने नोटपैड पे लिखते थे और वो स्क्रीन पे टाइप होता था एंड द अदर पर्सन हु इज़ टॉकिंग विद स्टीफन हॉकिंग कैन सी दैट व्हाट ही वांट्स टू से. सो टॉक्ड इन अ कंप्यूटर वॉइस, वो कंप्यूटर वॉइस में बातें किया करते थे बिकॉज ही वॉज डिसेबल्ड एंड ही वॉज नॉट एबल टू टॉक प्रॉपरली. नेक्स्ट वन, the writer had a sense of guilt. A. talking with Stephen Hawking, forcing Stephen Hawking to respond to his questions, visiting Stephen Hawking at odd time, none of these three. The answer will be option number B. The writer had a sense of guilt, forcing Stephen Hawking to respond to his questions. Ferradas Kanga जो थे उनको बार बार गिल्ट महसूस हो रहा था क्योंकि वो जो भी क्वेश्चंस पूछ रहे थे वो स्टीफन हॉकिंग को, उनको ऐसा लग रहा था कि वो स्टीफन हॉकिंग को फोर्स कर रहे हैं उनके क्वेश्चंस को, उनके क्वेश्चन का आंसर देने के लिए. नेक्स्ट वन, स्टीफन हॉकिंग फाउंड इट अम्यूजिंग व्हेन ही लुक्ड एट अदर पीपल. People patronized him. Someone visited him. Someone took pity on him. So the answer of 9th question will be what? B option. People patronized him. Okay. Next one. The first glimpse that Kanga took of Stephen Hawking was shocking because he looked like a still photograph. His face looked feelingless. His condition was pitiable. All of these three. So the answer will be A. He looked like a still photograph. उनको देखा जब फेराडस कांगा ने तो उनको ऐसा लगा कि वो किसी फोटोग्राफ को देख रहे हैं. नेक्स्ट वन, अकॉर्डिंग टू स्टीफन हॉकिंग अवर बॉडी इज an accessory, irrelevant, a case made of shadows, all of these three. So your answer will be option number D, all of these three. Next one, the writer and Stephen Hawking could not talk much while having a round in the garden because of the rumbling noise of Stephen Hawking's motorized wheelchair. The letters on the computer screen disappeared in the glare of the sunlight. Both of them had already had enough talk. None of these three. Your answer for 12th question will be option number B. ठीक है, वो ज़्यादा बात नहीं कर पा रहे थे गार्डन में क्योंकि जो उनके कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन में जो लेटर्स थे उन्होंने धीरे धीरे डिसअपियर होने लगे इन द ग्लेयर ऑफ सनलाइट. Okay, so this was all about the questions. I have also given you the list of answers here so that you can check it back. I hope everybody understood and liked the video. And if you really understood my video, please give it a like, share among your friends, and subscribe my channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching.